How to create a listing. To get to the listing page, you have two options. Either select the orange List Your Auction button, or go to your profile and click the Create Listing button. A form will open. In the General Auction Information section, enter a unique auction title, capped at 60 characters, to optimize search engine visibility. The file number field is optional and serves as an internal reference for your records. The registration link is also optional and can direct users to your auction registration page, where they can sign up to participate. Select the start and end date and time for bidding. Ensure this information is entered correctly to avoid any issues. Choose whether your auction will be online, on-site, or both. If you select both online and on-site, you can set separate start and end dates and times for each, if they differ. For online auctions, a field will appear to input the event link, which will direct buyers to the platform where they can place their bids online. Select your categories and subcategories from the provided options. These fields are mandatory, and you can select multiple options. If a subcategory is associated with more than one main category, the corresponding main categories will be automatically populated. When selecting the real estate category, a required field will appear to input the ERF size and specify the area unit. The Auction Contact section allows you to designate primary and secondary contacts for your listing. You can either keep the account holder as the primary contact or select a different contact by toggling the option and choosing a pre-created contact from the drop-down menu. Additionally, you can add up to 2 secondary contacts. All selected contacts will receive the completed inquiry forms directly in their inbox. We will guide you through the process of adding contacts to your account in a separate video. A link to this tutorial is available in the description below. The item's location section becomes visible when Online is selected as the only auction type. This section helps buyers know where the auction item is located, which is especially important for property, movables, or livestock that may require transport or permits. To input the location, start typing it into the Search Location field. Google Maps will suggest options based on what you type. To make changes, simply delete the existing text, or click the X in the province field to clear it. Select the one that best matches your auction location, and the suburb, city, and province fields will automatically fill in. If any details are missing, you can manually complete them. In the Auction Event Details section, start typing your auction location in the Search Location field. Google Maps will generate suggestions based on your input. Simply select the correct option that matches your location. The remaining fields will automatically populate. It is important to select an option from the suggestions generated by Google Maps, as this ensures the Get Directions functionality works correctly. For locations that are not straightforward, such as a farm or a small holding, you can copy and paste the plus code directly from Google Maps and select the option suggested by Google. Once selected, all the fields will populate with the available information, including the latitude and longitude. If you only have the latitude and longitude, you can enter them manually, and the fields will auto-populate. If some fields are not automatically filled, you will need to manually complete the remaining details, paying close attention to the required fields. The Auction Features section is where you can add a complete description of your auction. It allows you to be as detailed as needed, ensuring buyers have all the information they require. Use this space to provide key information, such as featured items, item details, and any special notes for buyers. You can copy and paste text into this section from other sources and clear the formatting by clicking on the slanted capital I with the X next to it. From there, you can apply formatting using the available options. The formatting tools allow you to highlight important points effectively. For example, you can make text bold to emphasize key details. Organize information clearly using numbered lists or bullet points for better structure and readability. You can also use italic text for additional emphasis or stylistic purposes. Additionally, you also have the option to link text to your website or other relevant external sources. To further enhance clarity, underline important sections or use horizontal lines to divide your content into clear sections. When you scroll down, you will see the supporting document section, where you can upload documents to enhance the success of your auction. You upload documents by either browsing from your file explorer and selecting your file, or by using the drag and drop function for added convenience. These documents can include terms and conditions, contracts, inspection reports, or any other relevant materials. Each document is capped at 5 megabytes. Please note that bidders packs and PDF adverts will be added in the next step. Once you have uploaded the necessary documents, click Continue to proceed. On the new page, you will see the Documents Upload section. In this section, you can upload essential documents to provide buyers with key auction details. The Bidders Pack and PDF Advert are the primary documents required here. To upload, simply browse and select files from your device or use the drag and drop function. Note that each document has a maximum file size of 5 megabytes. If you require additional file space for larger Bidders Pack documents, you can purchase additional storage as an add-on at an additional cost. If you do not have these documents available at the time of listing, you can publish the auction and add these documents at a later stage through the editing feature. This flexibility allows you to keep your auction listing live while finalizing supporting documents, as these fields are not mandatory. The image gallery allows you to visually showcase the items on auction. To stay organized, start by creating a folder in your media library and naming it after the auction you're listing. While this step is optional, it helps keep your images organized. To upload images, simply browse and select images from your device or use the drag and drop function. After uploading images, ensure you select Store Image. Once your images are stored, select your featured image from the media library and click Upload and Close. The featured image is required and will serve as the main visual representation of your auction. You can upload up to 10 images to your gallery from your media library by following the same steps. If additional images are needed, you can upload them as an add-on at an additional cost. Alt text can also be assigned to your images within the media library to improve accessibility for visually impaired individuals. But this process will be covered in a separate video. A link will be provided in the description below. Once this step is complete, click Continue. You will now be redirected to the Auction Listing Review section, where you can review and confirm all the details of your listing before submitting it to go live. In this section, you will see the plan you are currently on and how many listings you have used so far. You also have the option to upgrade your listing to featured status for an additional cost. This upgrade gives your auction marketing priority and increased visibility. Scroll down to view your totals, make any necessary payments, and then confirm and submit your listing. Continue and click Proceed to Payment Gateway to finalize your payment. You'll then be directed to the payment page. Carefully fill in your details and double-check for accuracy. Once done, click Next to complete your payment. Your listing will go live and become visible to potential buyers on the platform. Please note, buyers will not see your stats. They will only view the auction and its relevant information. Congratulations! Your first auction listing with Auction Calendar is now live and ready for success.